This is Ed Martinez's 2004 Ford Lightning built by PSC Superchargers. Ed Martinez is the president of PSC Superchargers, and being the president of a supercharger company certainly has its advantages. This is a 5.4 dual overhead cam, 4-valve, Ford GT supercar heads. They've been ported in flow about 350 at 475 lift. It's got Crowler cams in it, completely modified Shelby intercooler, modified air intake system holding on to two 1.6 liter Lysham twin screw superchargers pumped up to about 18 pounds of boost. Twin air intakes, twin throttle bodies, twin mass airs. Both air intake ducts go right down the front cowl underneath the front bumper for nice cool air. The estimated power on this is about 900 horsepower because we're in the middle of tuning it. But so far from what we've done, this thing is an absolute animal. And it's a sleeper.